baie welkom by Kuns vir die Siel. Ek is Nadine Vosloo en vandag gesels ons oor ankers. Nou wanneer die lewe sy draaie draai, is alleenheid soms iets waarmee ons gekonfronteer word. Nou alleentyd is iets wat ons kies en dis baie belangrik om in jou alleentyd tyd aan jouself te spandeer. Maar wanneer daai eensaamheid nader kruip en iets waaroor jy nie totale beheer het nie, kan dit angs wek. En dan het jy nodig om te weet dat jy sekere ankers het om aan vas te hou. Nou daai ankers kan wees 'n geloofsgemeenskap, goeie familielede en goeie vriende, belangstellings en stoppertjies om betrokke te raak in jou gemeenskap. En baie belangrik om te onthou reg deur hierdie hele proses dat jy styf sal vashou aan jou waardesisteem. Nou vandag maak ons kreatiewe ankers en kom ek wys jou hoe gaan ons te werk om dit te doen. Ons gaan ankerkriet gebruik, water en Olympic paint verfkleure volgens jou keuse. Ek gee net die inspirasie. So wat jy nodig het is 'n mengbakkie en dan water uit die aard van die saak en die hoeveelhede is 4 dele ankerkriet, 1 deel water. Ek het reeds hier afgemeet, so ek gaan nou water en produk bymekaar voeg. En ek meng. En dan sommer in dieselfde tyd gaan ek my verfkleur bymeng. Jy kan ook altyd na die tyd as jou sement droog is, bo-oor verf. Ek het dit ook getoets en dit werk soos 'n droom. Nou kleur is 'n baie persoonlike keuse, so jy voeg by na hartelus dit waarvan jy hou. Maar ons gaan nou vandag met groen werk en die kleur is Oxford Ivy. En ek meng dit sommer by my sement, nie te veel nie. En ek gaan dit ook nie heeltemal inmeng nie. Ek maak seker dat dit amper so 'n onegalige kleureffek skep. Nou waarin jy nou hierdie sement kan uitskep is papierbakkies, dit werk baie goed. Of silikoon muffinpannetjies, werk net so goed. En ek skep my mengsel hierin. Jy kan besluit, as jy nou sien wat ons gaan skep, hoeveel jy in jou vorms wil skep. Gooi ek net mooi oor in 'n skoon bakkie, dit wat oorbly. En ons almal het gebruikte kersse by die huis, hopelik. Kerslig skep ambiance en dit maak 'n vertrek baie romanties voel. So steek aan daai kers as jy nog nie het nie. So jy kan daai ou kersse weer gebruik of jy kan hulle smelt om nuwe kersse te vorm. So hierso het ek nou my sement in my bakkies. Ek kan nou gebruikte kersse bloot eenvoudig in my sementbeslag steek. En dan het ek in 'n oomblik 'n kersblaker. Nou ek gaan vir jou wys, ek het verskillende opsies getoets en soos ek getoets het, kon ek nie ophou toets nie. Dis werklik iets, as jy begin kersse maak, wil jy nie ophou nie. Daar is 'n voorbeeld van soya wax, wat dan in 'n vormpie gegiet is. Hier is 'n ander voorbeeld. En hier oral om my is voorbeelde. Party is geverf, party is nie geverf nie, party is verf net ingemeng. Die ene wat ek hier gegiet het, sal byvoorbeeld so lyk. En hier is 'n ander voorbeeld van een wat geverf is. En dan die kleiner kersblakertjie sal so lyk of so. Baie belangrik om te onthou is dat goeie ankers nie alleen jou help om jou lig helder te laat skyn nie, maar dit is ook die lig wat jy benodig in donker tye. So hou vas aan daai goeie ankers en moenie laat gaan nie. Hê 'n vreugdevolle, mooi en 'n week gevul met lig wat voorlê.
Today we are joined by one of Zululand's most respected voices in women's healthcare. Dr. J was the first female obstetrician and gynecologist in Zululand and has dedicated her career to providing compassionate, evidence-based care for women at every stage of life. With qualifications from the University of KwaZulu-Natal and Yale University, she is also an honorary clinical lecturer and advocate for women's healthcare and has led numerous community initiatives, including an annual free cervical cancer screening drive that have changed countless lives across the region. So, goeiemorgen, good morning, and thank you so much for joining us, Dr. J.
Good morning. Thank you, Elsa. Thank you for having me.
Now, Women's Month is a time to celebrate women, but also to reflect on their health. So in your experience, what are the biggest health issues affecting South African women today that simply aren't being talked about enough?
Well, Women's Month is about celebrating the integral role that women play in their families, in their communities, and their workplace. And it's so common that we are so busy caring for everybody else that we forget to prioritize ourselves and know that caring for ourselves means caring for other people. One of the biggest challenges that women have, and women are funny characters, but don't quote me on saying that. We like to normalize symptoms. We like to say that it's just part of being a woman, but these are not. We're also finding that there's an increasing rate of fibroids, of endometriosis, of hormonal imbalances, infertility, and gynae cancers. And it's important to note that this not only affects our physical well-being, but our emotional, our mental well-being, as well as our relationships, our family, and our communities. So another issue, and this is so common for women, that we feel that we're far too busy to make that annual health check. We think that we can prioritize it at a later date, but early diagnosis really literally does save lives. So it's important that your health matters.
Absolutely. So what symptoms should women never ignore, and when should they seek specialist care?
Look, women know themselves better than anybody else, and they know when something is wrong. So it's important that they don't ignore it. Heavy, painful periods, periods that last for more than 7 days, women that clot during their periods, pain that increases during a cycle, or pain in between periods. The rates of infertility, the recurrent miscarriages, and the risk that finding out at a later stage will be detrimental to them. These are important. It's often noted that these are due to fibroids, to adenomyosis, which is very similar to endometriosis, to ovarian cysts, and to early cancers. So it's important that we know that there are treatment options that are available, more so than even the last few years. And these treatment options do preserve fertility, do improve the quality of life, and can avoid invasive surgery. So we need to look for early screening, early diagnosis, and thus early treatment.
Now, Dr. J, we've also heard about the Zululand Fibroid Clinic, and it's one of the clinics in the Fibroid Clinics SA network in Richards Bay. I think it's simply remarkable. So thank you so much for the work that you do, and thank you so much for joining us this morning. And that was done Dr. J. So just before we say goodbye, where can we find more information?
But look, I want women to know that they don't have to face health challenges on their own. We have many social media platforms. You can contact me at the practice, but the social media handles are www.drjmudley.co.za or www.fibroidclinicssa.co.za.
Dr. Mudley, thank you so much indeed. Nou ja, ons gesels net hierna met 'n Suid-Afrikaanse paalspringer wat 'n silwer medalje by die Statebondspele verower het. Bly net waar jy is.